Goan youth marches from Panji Church to Forest Department Altino. Youth demanded government to take back all the proposed projects which will affect our wildlife and forest.
CD, anke goyangadi. ABCD, anke goyangadi. Keep coal in the ground. Keep coal in the ground. Just say, keep coal in the ground. Keep coal in the ground.
We, the youth of Goa, in order to protect our future, request that the clearances given for the linear infrastructure project in Bode National Park and Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, the widening of the NH4A highway by the PWD, the double tracking of the railway line by Southern Western Railways, and the laying of a 400 kV transmission by Goa Samaj should be immediately stopped.
Youth was also seen dancing on the tunes of a song to show their unity and express their concern. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.